What if you could swap any face in a photo or even a video in just a few seconds? Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called VidMage. VidMage is a powerful AI face swap tool that lets you swap faces in both photos and videos with just a few clicks. And the results look very realistic. You can create fun content, memes, or unique videos without needing any editing skills. In this video, I'll show you how VidMage works and how you can easily create face swap videos and photos step by step using this AI tool. So let's get started and see how it works. First of all, after logging into VidMage, this is the main dashboard of the website. At the top, you can see different AI tools available. If you click on the face swap section, you'll find multiple options like photo face swap, video face swap, multi-face swap, batch face swap, and even GIF face swap. This means you can swap faces not only in photos, but also in videos and even group photos. You can also see another section called AI Video, where VidMage provides some additional AI tools like Video Enhancer, Photo Dance, and AI Talking Photo. These features allow you to enhance videos or even make photos move and talk using AI. Then there is the AI Image section, where you can access tools like Image Upscaler, Object Remover, and AI Clothes Changer, which can help improve or modify your images using AI technology. And if you are using a Mac, there is also a Mac exclusive section where you can try features like live face swap and other advanced options. So now let's start the face swap process. First, I'm going to click on Photo Face Swap. As you can see, the process is very simple, and it only takes a few steps. In the first step, we need to upload the original image that already has a face. So I'm going to click on Upload Image and select a photo from my computer. After that, the second step is to upload the face that we want to swap. Again, just click on Upload Image and choose the face you want to place on the original photo. Once both images are uploaded, the final step is very easy. Just click on Swap Face, and the AI will start analyzing the faces and generating the result automatically. As you can see, the AI is now processing the image. It only takes a few seconds, and after that, VidMage generates the final face swap result. And here we go. The result is ready. You can clearly see the before and after comparison, and the face swap looks very realistic. If you like the result, you can simply click on Download and save the image to your device. This shows how quickly you can create face swap photos using the VidMage AI tool. Now let's try another example. I'm going to upload a different photo to see how the AI handles another face swap. First, I'll change the original image and upload a new photo. Then I'll upload another face that I want to swap onto this image. Just like before, the steps are exactly the same. Once both images are uploaded, I simply click on Swap Face, and the AI starts analyzing the faces again. Within a few seconds, VidMage processes the image and generates a new result. As you can see, the new face swap is also created very quickly, and the result still looks quite realistic. This shows that VidMage can easily handle different photos and generate face swap results in just a few seconds. Now let's try another interesting feature called Multiple Face Swap. This feature is very useful when you have a group photo with multiple people in it. So first, I'm going to select Multiple Face Swap Photo. Just like before, the process is very simple. First, upload the group photo that contains multiple faces. After that, upload the faces that you want to swap into that photo. Once everything is uploaded, simply click on Swap Face, and the AI will automatically detect all the faces in the image and replace them with the new ones. As you can see, VidMage quickly analyzes the faces and generates the result. This is really impressive because the AI can handle multiple faces in a single image and swap them automatically. This makes it perfect for group photos, memes, or fun social media content. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful features of VidMage, which is Video Face Swap. This feature allows you to swap faces not just in photos, but also in videos. So first, I'm going to select Video Face Swap. Just like before, the process is very simple. First, upload the video that contains the face you want to replace. After that, upload the face image that you want to swap into the video. Once both files are uploaded, simply click on Swap Face, and VidMage's AI will start processing the video. It will analyze the face in each frame and automatically replace it with the new face. But once it's finished, you'll get a complete video with the swapped face, and the results usually look very smooth and realistic. After the processing is complete, you can preview the result and download the final video directly to your device. Now, let's take a look at another powerful feature called Multiple Face Swap Video. This feature is perfect when a video contains more than one person, and you want to swap multiple faces at the same time. First, I'm going to select Multiple Face Swap Video from the menu. Then I'll upload the video that contains multiple faces. After that, I'll upload the face images that I want to use for the swap. Once everything is uploaded, I simply click on Swap Face, and the AI will automatically detect all the faces in the video. It then replaces each face with the ones we uploaded. But once it's finished, you'll get a fully processed video where multiple faces are swapped automatically. As you can see, this makes it very easy to create creative videos, funny edits, or even unique content for social media using the VidMage AI tool. So that's how you can easily swap faces in photos and videos using VidMage. As you can see, the process is very simple, and the results look surprisingly realistic. Whether you want to create fun content, memes, or unique videos for social media, this AI tool makes everything much easier. If you want to try VidMage yourself, you can check out the link in the description and start creating your own face swap videos and photos. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.